Hey everyone, in our last video we talked about hot leads versus cold leads, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can turn a cold lead into a hot lead. And it's going to take a few steps, and everyone should be doing this. Everyone should be having cold leads, nurturing them into hot leads, and that's why we utilize a funnel. So if you haven't checked out our last video, it'll be right here above for you to click on what is a funnel, hot leads versus cold leads. But let's say that we're dealing with a cold lead, and if you don't know what that is, that means that a cold lead is someone who doesn't know who you are, what you do, and what you're an expert in. And most likely you're reaching out to them via cold email, or they're stumbling upon either your Instagram or your YouTube or your school community. And if you have a funnel, you haven't seen our last video, understand that you should have some platform like school or YouTube to help your funnel. Otherwise, it gives you a lot less credibility and a lot less proof for your potential client to review and to feel comfortable moving forward. But let's say you're a cold lead and you just, I'm reaching out to you and I Google, 10 local dental businesses, right? So if you are a cold lead and I'm reaching out to you locally, first off, you're probably not getting reached out that often from people locally, so you've already separated yourself. Second off, you can get the owner's name, you can get the phone number, and when you call, you can be super professional. You can call and you can say, do you have a marketing manager or a decision owner or an owner or a decision maker here? And usually it'll be a receptionist or someone else, or maybe even the owner, and they'll be more than happy to help you. So now you've touched base with the receptionist, you've contacted their business, and they know you know who they are, and you have identified that you're an expert in your field. For us, we say, hey, we're an AI agency and we're looking to implement AI, lower your costs, and increase your sales. And that is usually a good pitch to any business owner, especially when they know how the world is evolving and how AI will be a part of everything. So that is how you slowly make a cold lead a warm lead. Now that they know who you are, you send them proof of what you've done. So you say, hey, here are other dental offices that I've helped. They used to have 6 receptionists. Now they only have 2, and they paid a one-time fee and have reduced their costs by over 50%. That is something that is a offer that a business cannot reject, because you're bringing down their cost, you're bringing down their headache, and you've shown them that you've done it before. So now at this point, they become a hot lead because they know who you are, they've seen what you do, you've reached out to them, and they have all your information to take the next step. So let me know in the comments below, do you understand the difference between a cold lead and a hot lead? And do you understand how we get those cold leads? It can be through a paid ad, which is like a prospecting ad. You know, there's two things in advertisement: there's prospecting and there's retargeting. When you're prospecting, these are all your cold leads. Like I can prospect and just type in dental or teeth or root canal, and I'll get everybody who is uh, teeth or dental related to see my ad. But those are cold leads because they're seeing my ad for the first time. But then what can I do? I can create a retargeting campaign, and I can say anyone who's seen my ad, anyone who's hit my website, anyone who's hit my Instagram, anyone who's hit my YouTube, I want you to show those people again the ad that they saw, or hit them with a new ad. So now you have you have touched base with this person again, and they've gone from being a cold lead from prospecting. And once you've built a large prospecting data with your Google Pixel and your Facebook Pixel and your TikTok Pixel, that's when you run a retargeting ad. And that's when you will get the most conversions, because now all your cold leads are now hot leads and they're ready to pay you before you've even had a meeting. So, guys, let me know if you gained value from that. If you like it when I talk about things like funnels, lead conversion, and how to deal with cold leads and make them warm leads. If you haven't joined the AI Entrepreneurs, it's a free community for a limited time. I will raise the price soon, So definitely check it out. We have limited spots. We learn everything from A to Z, and as well as anyone who joins for free will remain free as a legacy member. And you can have a free Go High Level account worth $97 a month, over $1,164 a year for free, under my account. So if you'd like to set that up, see how you can implement AI, go through our free course, and if you find value there, if you have any questions, just comment below and we'll get to it and we can take it from there. If you ever need our team to take it over for you, we're more than happy to see if we're a good fit. But check out that free community, do your due diligence, learn what you need to learn, and see how you can implement AI to make your business better. I hope that helped making cold leads into hot leads.